Okay, so during the break, we had students rearrange into the groups again, and they're still wrong. So let's take a look at some of these rocks and decide why they are detrital and why they are chemical. If I could get the camera to come up, please. Let's take a close look at this particular rock, okay? Now, for you guys at home, the way you are going to make sure that you have the right rock is you are going to test its chemical mineral composition. What is the smoking gun characteristic for quartz?
Harder than glass.
Harder than glass. Let's pull out our glass plate. And what you guys need to remember is that minerals maintain their physical properties through the rock cycle. So go ahead and test that and tell me if it is made of quartz.
It is. Oh, no. It did not scratch the glass.
Did not scratch the glass. What is the other very common mineral?
Calcite.
Calcite. Let's test it with hydrochloric acid. Ooh.
Ah.
Bubble, bubble, right? So, since we see that this rock reacts to hydrochloric acid, we know then it is composed of the mineral calcite. The rock that is associated with mineral calcite is called limestone. Limestone is a chemical sedimentary rock because the calcite has been dissolved at some point, brought somewhere else, and then brought out of dissolution, out of solution, precipitated out of solution to create a rock similar to this. So anytime we have a rock that reacts to hydrochloric acid, we have a chemical sedimentary rock.